Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare my stuffed beans porridge. So guys can see the beans for fire. I've already washed it. The beans is close to done. Remain like 5 minutes or 6 minutes to done. You can see a little water that remain inside. Before you cook your beans, make sure you wash it. Put it for fire, then parboil it to weigh the water, the first water. Then you put it back. Then when you put it back, you allow the remaining water to done with it. Then after you soft, you make your sauce. See, I make my sauce. This is palm oil, pepper, and onion, crayfish. Mixed, fried together. So after I did it, before I put seasoning, I never put seasoning inside. After everything, I will pour inside the beans, then mix it together. That is beans porridge for my staff. So guys, keep watching. Already fry the oil, pepper, crayfish, onion together. So I will pour it inside the beans now. So guys can see. So I'll pour it inside the beans. This is stuffed beans porridge. Wow, very delicious. So I'll now add seasoning. This is my seasoning. I'll add. Then you mix them together. Wow, very soft. So when you set like this, you call your staff. You started serving them. Today is Wednesday. I always give my staff beans every Wednesday. But beans is very rich. It's very rich. So some people say they don't like beans. But somebody like me, I like beans very well because beans is very rich. I really like beans more than rice. So I'll allow it like 5 minutes, then I'll off it. So that is how I cook my porridge beans for my staff. I want you guys to learn it inside and cook. Thanks for watching. Just a short video that I want to show you. So you can use it with garri, some use it with pap, but I like taking it like this, without garri, without pap. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.